Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shannon. Thank you so much for stopping by today. In today's video, we are going to be swatching the Viseart Bijoux Royal number 9. This retails for $80. You can pick it up at musebeauty.pro, sephora.com, and beautylish.com. Tuesdays and Thursdays are my off days for filming. So for the new year, my goal is to use those days when I have some extra time to swatch through my entire palette collection. So I figured today would be fun to do one of my favorite of all time palettes. I don't use this as much as I would like to because it is all shimmers and you guys know I love mattes, but it's still worth doing a video for. Tonight I would like to do my Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette for a swatch video, and I'm going to try to do my Natasha Denona Tropic palette and maybe my Jeffree Star Family Values or whatever the house, that lippy set. So that's my goal for the next couple of swatch videos, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big old thumbs up, and let me know what you'd like to see swatched in the comments down below. This is just kind of a way for me to get some extra videos done, and I want to swatch some of these palettes before I destash them, just so I have them on my channel, and just gives me something to do while my husband plays video games, you know, or watches wrestling. So let's get into the swatches. I don't have anything on my arm. This is what the palette looks like. This one did break a little bit. So there's no shadow names, but we'll just swatch right on through like we always do. This purple pink is amazing. It's like a fuchsia. Love it. Sometimes you have to go over the shimmers a couple times, like because they get crumbly and I have heavy fingers. You guys know that from watching my videos. How gorgeous is that? They are just so creamy and so buttery, and their staying power is amazing. Alright, the last three. I think I'm going to use this palette soon. When I do these swatch videos, if there's a palette that, you know, maybe you didn't know about, or you've never seen swatches for, or maybe you're just like, dang, I want to see her use that in a look, all you got to do is let me know in the comments, and I can make that happen for yous. I will put it on my filming list. The first three didn't look as dark as the rest, so I just wanted to fix that. This row right here, I love all of them. Like this one is like a blue silver. It's like a pewter silver almost with like blue gray in it. So that is the Viseart number 9 Bijoux Royal, and these palettes are the best to pick up when there's a VIB sale or a Black Friday sale. You can get these for, I think, like $65 or $52 or something when there's a sale going on, like the 20% off sales and stuff. Or, I know Viseart is kind of like an expensive taste. If you were interested in picking some of these up, you can actually do a payment plan on Beautylish. It's 3 easy payments. You have to pay the first payment. So you just take your total in your cart and divide it by 3. You have to pay the first payment when you buy it. And then a month later, it automatically comes out of your bank. And then the third month, it automatically comes out of your bank as well. You can't do more than one payment plan, though. Just keep that in mind. It's not like FlexPay where you can do multiples. So, alright guys, well that's it. I have a chocolate mustache. I love these stupid protein drinks. I love them. Alright guys, there's one of my favorite Viseart palettes. I will take a picture for the thumbnail and I will get this uploaded for you guys, and I will see you later when I swatch the next one. Thank you so much for joining us today.